Trams are driven by electric engine, controlled by inverters, which allows for smooth and dynamic change of vehicle speed. During braking, system works like a generator and returns energy that's currently generated back to the network. However, the network is able to receive only certain value of electricity. Above this value, energy produced during braking must be released in a different way. For this purpose, braking resistor is used. It loses overproduced energy by converting it into heat. Today, we will see how braking resistors used in trams or any other rolling stock vehicle are produced. Therefore, we visited Polish manufacturer Simpax Company.
Firma zajmuje się produkcją rezystorów elektrycznych.
Continuing long tradition in Poland, company produces electric resistors that are used in many industries. We deliver our products to the European, American and Asian markets.
Europejskiej, Ameryki Północnej czy krajów arabskich.
Through use of resistors, mechanical components of braking system are not being overused. Usually, braking resistors are installed on the roof of the vehicle. Simpax has a quality control system based on ISO 9001:2015, including full design procedure according to which new resistors are created. The design process of the device begins with the analysis of requirements sent from the manufacturer of tram drive system. Among these requirements, there are electrical parameters which must be fulfilled. An often element of the project process is analysis of braking energy for a specific route along which vehicle drives. Therefore, for curves of power changing in time, we calculate and create diagrams of resistor temperature changes. We keep an eye whether the maximum allowable temperature has not been exceeded, which may cause resistor damages. After this analysis, the design team meets to proceed projecting of resistor construction. During designing process, special 3D modeling program is used. It allows to avoid designing mistakes and makes easier and detailed cooperation with tram manufacturer. After acceptance resistor design by the recipient, detailed drawings of resistor parts are being created. On basis of drawings, a resistor prototype is produced. Prototype is being tested in every kind of type test in accordance with European standards. During such tests, resistor goes through heat run tests in accordance with curves of braking energy change. There are also carried out such tests like resistance measurement, inductance measurement, dielectric test and visual inspection. An important element of resistor prototype testing is withstanding vibration and shock type test. Simpax performs such test in specialized laboratories with equipment adapted for vibration tests. After passing all type test by resistor prototype, production of standard resistor can be started. We start with production of resistor banks. The first stage of technological process is cutting a sheet of resistant steel on a CNC machine. Next, the sheet is cut into precise width strips. The operation is performed on a cutting machine with CNC control, which ensures very accurate production tolerance. In the next stages, stripes are pressed on mechanical and hydraulic presses. Stripes gain the right shape and stiffness. They are further connected by semi-automatic linear welding machine. This way, resistor circuit through which electricity will flow is produced. Next, the resistor banks are assembled. Welded elements are separated by ceramic spacers. The material is resistant to vibrations, weather conditions and temperature changes. All resistor elements are made of corrosion-resistant materials because the device will be placed on the roof of the tram. Meantime, to production of resistor banks, there are being made resistor frame and housing. Stainless steel sheets are punched on a CNC-controlled punching press. Punching process goes automatically. Machines cut sheets according to the resistor project. The punching program is sent via Ethernet from technology offices to machines. Employees sets the machine up and replace the sheets. The punching operation is very loud, so the machine itself is placed in a special soundproofed area. After producing resistor load banks, housing and frame parts are moved to assembly department. Assembling is carried out manually on special prepared adjustable tables, ensuring ergonomics of work. Screws and post insulators are collected from warehouse, which is fully supervised by Kanban system. To ensure that every produced resistor will withstand vibration on the vehicle, tightening of all resistor screws is strictly controlled. For this action, torque tools are used. Tools are under permanent supervision and are regularly monitored by quality department. Worker screws the conductor circuits of the resistors to post insulators. This connection is marked by an employee. It means that it's been tightened and properly checked. In the next step, resistor banks are connected to the frame. After that, frame is mounted to a housing. The final assembly consists of screwing enclosure cover and mounting warnings and rating plates. Now it's time for a final check. There are carried out tests, like visual inspection by supervising that all connections are marked, there is no mechanical damages, and the whole resistor is clean. Then, resistance is measured. Value of resistance must be in a specific tolerance. The last step is checking electrical insulation by the electric test. This operation is performed on a special stand, where the appropriate test voltage specified in the standards is applied to the resistor for 1 minute. The results of all routine tests are recorded in the report. After quality control, resistor is packed and delivered to the customer. Tram braking resistors are only one part of Simpax production. Simpax produces also devices for rolling stock industry, industrial machines, and for wind farm turbines.